In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the best gas deals in Australia. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like the video and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, there's a great website if you haven't been made aware of. It's called energymadeeasy.gov.au. And now what this site is about, it's a government-run website created by the AER, Australian Energy Regulator, to help consumers compare electricity and gas plans. It's free, reliable, and impartial tool designed to simplify the process of finding the best energy deals based on your location and energy use. So, the key features of this website is their energy plan comparison. So, users can input their energy usage or upload a bill to get tailored comparisons of available plans. Transparency, it shows the total cost of the plan, including any hidden fees or discount, which is great. Educational resources offers guides to help users understand energy bills, usage, and rights as energy consumers. And number four here, it's regulated by the government, so it ensures accuracy and impartially making a trustworthy tool. All right, so to use this website, what you need to do is they got a few steps here, so 4 steps. So we need to start with your postcode, so chuck in your postcode here, and then you need to tell them about your situation, which is step 2. Step 3, you need to enter information about your usage. And then step 4, compare the plans. So I live in Adelaide, so I'm going to keep this Adelaide 5000 SA. So I'm going to click on start comparing. And on the next step, it's going to say, what do you want to compare, electricity or gas? So I'm going to tick gas. And now, do you want to compare gas plans for your home or business? So I'm going to just do it for my home. Why are you comparing gas plans? And you got 2 options. I'm moving to a new home, or I'm moving home but I want a better plan. So I'm going to click on I want a better plan. And what company provides your gas now? Glowbird provides me with gas. So I'm going to keep it at Glowbird, but you can click the little down button and choose the right plan. And now I'm going to click next. And then you need to answer the following questions using your bills so we can find the right plans for you. So enter your bill period. This can be from 1 or more bills. But if you don't want to do this, you can come down the bottom here. So if it says if you don't have any bills with you, try another way to compare. And you can do a quick compare as well. So I suggest filling this out if you can. If you can't, just use the start comparing, the quick compare. That works just as fine. So yeah, for more accurate estimates, provide up to 12 months of your gas usage. You can enter data from multiple bills by adding all of the megajoules usage for each usage type for all of your bills and entering the total in the total usage field. That will become available below. So put in your bill start date, bill end date, and then click next question and just keep following the little questionnaire and it'll get you to the next step. But for this demonstration, I'm just going to click on start comparing. All right, then it'll say which best describes how much gas you use. So if you 1 person home, click 1. If you're a 2 or 3 person home, click medium. Or if you're 4 or more, click high. So I'm going to choose medium, 2 or 3 person home. And then also I'm going to click I've read the understood and agreed to the following terms and conditions. Then I'm going to click continue. And now what this is going to do, this is going to grab all the current data, all the current plans out there and put them in this web page here. So I've already been here before and it says comparing free, so I'm going to go ahead and clear all. And now this is the best deals available for my location. And it'll stay up here too. Usually a 2 or 3 person household will use a medium level of gas about 44 megajoules per day, and I find that quite accurate. And that's going to vary as well, just depending how often you're home and using your gas. So now, as we can see from here, I've got so we got Freedom Residential Gas. This is the current best deal. And on the left hand side, we are showing the lowest price per plan, or you can click on all plans available, but you want to find the best plan. So keep it on the lowest price plan. And then you got from each energy company. So they're offering, so where I'm living here, they got about 10 choices here. So I'm going to keep it each energy company. And you can also do some of this plans with conditions, include plans with conditions, special offers. You can only show plans with special offers, discounts for direct debit, pay on time, other discounts, payment options, fees, and contracts. So you can check those boxes too if you really want to get down to the nitty gritty and finding the best deal. But I'm just going to keep it very basic here. So the best deal is going to be here. So this one has got 90.33 cents per day with a usage charge of 2.96 to 4.8 megajoules, and that is back here on the rates, 90.33 cents a day is the supply charge, daily supply charge. And they've also got one special offer. So click down. So we got to refer a friend. So if you refer a friend with this, you're going to get some discounts off your gas bill. And you got another one here, Lumo Basic. That's $1,110 per year estimate. The top one here was $1,070, but Lumo's got two special offers. So they're doing 89.93 cents per day supply charge, but they are using 2.73 to 5.08 cents per megajoule. So they're a little bit more expensive than the Freedom residential gas. And this is all going to be different too when you watch this later down the track. So all these deals are going to be totally different. But yeah, it's just going to be a quick run through of how to compare these. So if there's a few companies you like, what you can do is click on add to compare. So for example, I want to compare this one, I'll click add to compare, and it says you need to select up the free plans to compare. So I'm going to do this one, and then I'm going to do this one here, add to compare, and I'm also going to find my Glowbird Energy company. So I'm just going to uncheck all these because I want to compare it to my current plan. So I'm going to add to compare Glowbird, and now from here I'm going to click on compare. So off the bat, it looks like I'm going to be saving money if I swap over from Glowbird to Cova U Energy Freedom residential gas, and I'll probably save what, $350 a year. And we can see the different rates. So my current energy provider, I'm doing 78.10 cents per day supply charge, but it's got a 4.29 to 7.34 megajoule usage charge, and that's quite significant compared to Freedom residential gas and Lumo Basic. And if we look down here, we can see the special offers and all these, the discounts, the eligibility requirements, and then you got fees too. So if I want to switch over from Glowbird to Cova U Freedom residential gas, I'm going to have a $22 disconnection fee to do so. And now to come over here, I'd have to pay a one-off move-in new connection fee of $14. But if I want to disconnect down the track, it's going to cost me over close to $100 on this plan. So keep that in mind if you do switch plans, what the disconnection fees are, because you can kind of get stung there. But this one here, Lumo Basic, has got a disconnection fee of $14. So if you're someone that want to swap gas companies every 3-6 months or whatever, just keep an eye on the disconnection fees. And you can also go deeper in this. You can go ahead and look on view plan. So say if I want to go for this one here, I'm going to go ahead and click on view plan, and you can see more about it. They got the plan ID here. They've got an estimated cost per year. You can do it monthly too. On the left hand side here, they got the supply charge and usage charge as well, and the prices. They're going to state them all here again, and then we'll come over here and look at the plan fees. I'm going to jot down all the plan fees here. If we go back up, special offers. So this is where the special offers are going to be put. So here we go, $50 credit applied to you and your friend's account if you sign up using refer a friend link from an existing Cova U customer. So that's cool, $50 credit will be applied. So if you got family members or friends that are thinking of switching over to a new gas company, you can refer them to this if you like it. Yeah, so you can vouch for it, and you and your friend is going to save money. And if we click on more info, it will say contract details effective from 17th of October 2024. So the contract details is this. So the prices. Generally, they change their prices once per year, I've heard. I could be wrong, but yeah, once per year they change their prices. Most of these companies. The calling off period is 10 business days, which is standard. Contract length, no contract length. This agreement continues until you or we end it. So I can end this whenever. So I can be in for 3 months, 1 month, and end it. That's cool. Billing and price details. So billing period is every 3 months where I live. Payment options, debit or BPay. Prices are not fixed, so we may vary the charge of this plan, including their amounts, nature, and structure at any time by giving you a notice at least 5 business days prior to the effective date of variation. So if they hike up the prices quite significantly, I'm not happy with it, I'll go ahead and change gas companies. Yeah, and they got terms and conditions. You can read more there. And now, so if I want to go ahead with this, what I'm going to do is click on prepare to switch here, and then I want to note down this plan ID as well, because you want to give them the plan ID, and they got a switching checklist. So this switching checklist will help make sure you're ready and have everything you need to switch to a new energy plan. So yeah, have a read of this. So I've read the basic plan information. I know what my calling rights are. I have asked my current energy company if I have to pay a fee to leave my current energy plan. I've checked if prices can change on my new plan. I've asked the energy company if I can get a concession, and I have checked if the energy company has flexible payment options like monthly billing. So that is quite cool that they have this to as a bit of a guide, so you can ask your new energy or gas company about all these important questions, and then what happens next. So once you've found a plan you like, get in touch with the energy company to sign up. The energy company's contact details are on their basic plan information document or their written summary of the plan. This can also be found at the bottom of the page. To make sure you're signing up to the right plan, give the energy company the name of the plan ID, and you can find this information at the bottom of this page. Then the energy company will change over your energy services, and it says here, tell your old energy company that you're changing energy companies or gas companies. But what I've found, when you do switch over to a new gas company, they will do, most of them will do the legwork for you, and yeah, you don't need to contact your current company about you're going to change, because yeah, they'll do all that work for you. Just ask them if they can. And then a few days after you sign up, the energy company will send you a letter showing the plan you choose with your name, contacts, and address, or the terms and conditions of the plan. And they might be able to send this to you by email, and you'll change over to your new plan the next time your meter is read. This could take up to 3 months, by the way, so take note. And if you want to start using your plan sooner, you can ask your energy company to read your meter earlier, but check to see if you have to pay a fee for this. And you also get a final bill from your old energy company. It will tell you if you still have money to pay them. And now this is the plan ID. And if you want to go with this, if I want to go with this, I'm going to give this number a call, give them the plan ID, and just go through this checklist with them. Make sure the plan fees and the rates are all the same. That's on Energy Made Easy, which they should be, but it's always good to double check. And they'll go through the process of changing your gas over to their company.